Masha and the Bear is a heartwarming animated series that follows the adventures of a spirited and mischievous little girl named Masha and her unlikely best friend, a gentle and caring bear. Set in the idyllic countryside, each episode of Masha and the Bear is filled with laughter, fun, and valuable life lessons. The story begins when Masha stumbles upon the bear's house in the forest and immediately befriends him, much to the bear's surprise. Despite their differences in size and species, Masha and the bear form a deep bond and embark on a series of adventures together. Throughout the series, Masha's boundless energy and curiosity often lead to hilarious and chaotic situations, much to the bear's chagrin. From baking cakes to playing dress-up to going on imaginary adventures, Masha's imaginative antics always keep the bear on his toes. But despite the challenges they face, Masha and the bear always find a way to overcome obstacles and learn valuable lessons along the way. Whether it's the importance of friendship, the value of patience, or the joy of sharing, each episode teaches viewers something new about kindness, empathy, and the joys of childhood. As Masha and the bear navigate their way through the ups and downs of life in the forest, they are joined by a cast of colorful characters, including a group of forest animals and a trio of mischievous wolves. Together, they create a warm and welcoming community where kindness and compassion always prevail. Filled with humor, heart, and unforgettable characters, Masha and the Bear is a beloved animated series that has captured the hearts of viewers around the world. With its charming storytelling and timeless messages, it continues to inspire laughter and smiles in audiences of all ages. Masha and the Bear. The dynamic between Masha and the bear is at the heart of each episode. Masha's boundless curiosity and playful nature often lead her into trouble, while the bear's patience and kindness help guide her through life's challenges. As the series progresses, viewers are treated to a variety of adventures, ranging from heartwarming to hilarious. In one episode, Masha decides to become a painter and creates a mess in the bear's house with her artistic endeavors. In another, she embarks on a quest to help her forest friends, inadvertently causing chaos along the way. But no matter the situation, Masha and the bear always find a way to work together and overcome obstacles. Through their adventures, they learn important lessons about friendship, kindness, and the importance of understanding and accepting one another. Alongside Masha and the bear, viewers are introduced to a cast of lovable characters, including a group of forest animals who often find themselves caught up in Masha's antics. From a pair of mischievous squirrels to a wise old owl, each character adds depth and humor to the story. Filled with humor, heart, and timeless messages, Masha and the Bear has become a beloved animated series cherished by audiences of all ages. Whether they're watching for the first time or revisiting old favorites, viewers are sure to be enchanted by the charming adventures of Masha and her furry friend. As the series progresses, viewers witness the growth and development of both Masha and the bear. Masha learns valuable lessons about responsibility, empathy, and the consequences of her actions, while the bear learns to embrace the joy and spontaneity that Masha brings into his life. Throughout their adventures, Masha and the bear encounter a variety of challenges and obstacles, from wild animals to mischievous forest creatures. But no matter the situation, their friendship and mutual respect always shine through, allowing them to overcome even the most daunting of challenges. In addition to the entertaining and heartwarming stories, Masha and the Bear also features stunning animation, catchy music, and clever humor that appeal to viewers of all ages. Whether it's Masha's infectious laughter or the bear's gentle demeanor, there's something for everyone to love about this delightful animated series. With its positive messages, charming characters, and timeless appeal, Masha and the Bear continues to captivate audiences around the world. Whether you're a child or a child at heart, watching Masha and the Bear's adventures is sure to bring a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. Masha and the Bear is a heartwarming animated series that transports viewers to a captivating world filled with adventure, friendship, and life lessons. Set amidst the scenic beauty of a lush forest, the series revolves around the charming and mischievous Masha, whose infectious energy and insatiable curiosity lead her into delightful escapades, often with her unlikely friend, the gentle and patient bear. In each episode, Masha's lively imagination and boundless enthusiasm create whimsical scenarios that entertain and enchant audiences of all ages. Whether she's organizing impromptu picnics, embarking on imaginary journeys, or trying her hand at various hobbies, Masha's antics are sure to bring laughter and joy to viewers. But amidst the laughter and play, Masha and the bear also imparts valuable lessons about kindness, empathy, and the importance of understanding and respecting others. Through her interactions with the bear and other forest dwellers, Masha learns the importance of empathy and the impact of her actions on those around her. Likewise, the bear, though initially reluctant to engage with Masha's spirited antics, gradually learns to embrace the joy and spontaneity she brings into his life. As the series unfolds, viewers are treated to a colorful cast of characters, from the wise and patient bear to the mischievous trio of wolves who occasionally cause trouble in the forest. Each character adds depth and charm to the story, creating a rich tapestry of relationships and interactions that keep audiences engaged and entertained. With its captivating storytelling, vibrant animation, and endearing characters, Masha and the Bear has become a beloved favorite among audiences worldwide. Whether you're a child captivated by Masha's playful antics or an adult charmed by the series' timeless appeal, Masha and the Bear is sure to leave a lasting impression with its heartwarming tales of friendship and adventure.